Hey everyone, and welcome to my Thrift Finds. Today we are working with another bag that came really kind of crumpled and needs some extra love. This is just like a no-name Italian leather bag. I just really wanted something that I could wear with like tracksuits and loungewear, and I always loved, have you ever seen like people who are maybe kind of more casually dressed, but then they have a really nice black bag and the whole thing just looks so elevated, like the energy is super nice. And that's what I was aiming for. I got this one off Vinted for €7. And as you can see, she doesn't really have a whole lot of shape to her, so that's definitely something to address. Otherwise, she is in good shape. She just needs a clean. The interior is kind of dirty. And of course, I need to, fix this mess right here. And so I'm really excited to dive into this. I just love this bag. It's such a kind of classy bag. And let's see how she turns out. So let's dive into the work. First step is to vacuum up this interior and clean everything up. It's not like too bad, but it's definitely not clean. So let's address that first. Time to clean both the interior and the exterior. I'm just going in with my leather honey cleaner. This actually cleans a whole bunch of stuff, not just leather. And because the interior is, plastic, quote unquote, I'm just going to use this one. The bag is now clean. I'm just checking the shape, but I think she actually wants to be in this shape because the corners are here. I thought she was going to be like a narrower bag, but now that I filled her up, I see that this is actually her natural form. And it's, it's actually really cute. Really cute. Not what I expected, but I am here for it for sure. So now she just needs to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my leather conditioner and we should be done. Time to go in with my leather honey leather conditioner, moisturize her up, leave her standing for around a day, and then we'll be ready for the final review. It is now the next day and we are ready for the final reveal. This is the bag. I am absolutely shocked by how this turned out. This is amazing. She's no longer stuffed. This is her actual shape. And I noticed that that is the truth because there is a little break in the hard lining that's underneath right here. So she is supposed to look like this. And I need to figure out how to kind of arrange the inside because due to the sheer size of this bag, it is now no longer useful that, there's just like one internal pocket and everything else is just empty space because that is a whole lot of empty space right here. So I'm thinking of maybe getting one of those, inserts that you can remove to organize your bag because I don't want to do anything permanent to it since she does have that much space that even if you need to pack, I don't know, extra clothes or like cosmetics or something like that for an overnight stay, you can actually do all of that in this bag. Like her volume is insane. Her volume is literally insane. So I just need to figure out something to organize her better for like the day-to-day life. But needless to say, I am obsessed with the unexpected turn of events. And I think she's just like a really beautiful, classy bag. And I am in sweats today, so I just might take her out as soon as I wrap up this video. So here she is, perfectly gorgeous, perfectly stunning, and a really, really big bag.